Removing the gallery icon from File Explorer in Windows 11. Removing the gallery icon from File Explorer in Windows 11 requires a quick registry modification, as there is no simple off switch in the Folder Options menu. This method hides the gallery for your specific user account without permanently deleting system keys. This is generally safer and easier to reverse. The proposed solution has been tested and confirmed working on Windows 11 version 25H2, OS build 26200.7171. It may not work on other Windows 11 versions. If I get the chance, I will test it on additional versions and update the information accordingly. You are also welcome to share your own positive or negative experiences in the comments. Test this solution and report your results to the tutorial audience. If you identify alternative approaches applicable to other Windows 11 builds, we welcome your contributions. Let's get started. Press Win+R on your keyboard, type regedit, and press Enter. Navigate to the following path: hkey_user/software/classes/CLSID. You can paste this into the address bar at the top. Don't worry. You can simply copy that path from the description of this tutorial and paste it into the designated location as instructed. Right-click on the CLSID folder in the left panel, select New, then Key. Name the new key exactly this. Copy and paste it including brackets, E88865A0E1C4E209AA6EDCD0212C87C. Don't worry. You can simply copy the name from the description of this tutorial and paste it into the designated location as instructed. Right-click the new key you just created, select New, then DWORD, 32-bit, value. Name this value system.is pinned to namespace tree. Don't worry. You can simply copy the name from the description of this tutorial and paste it into the designated location as instructed. Double-click the new system.is pinned to namespace tree value and ensure the value data is set to 0. Restart File Explorer, or restart your computer, to see the changes. You can now see that the gallery icon no longer appears in the left-hand panel. The gallery has not been deleted, it has simply been suppressed from display. You can restore the original settings anytime by following the steps shown in the second part of this tutorial. Revert the modification so the gallery icon becomes available again in the left side panel of File Explorer. Open the Registry editor again by pressing Win+R, typing regedit, and confirming with Enter. Navigate to the same registry path where the change was originally applied. Ensure that you are accessing the exact key that was modified. Don't worry. You can simply copy that path from the description of this tutorial and paste it into the designated location as instructed. Locate the following key in the left-hand panel: RE88865EA, 0E1C, 4E20-9AA6, EDCD0212C87C. Scroll up or down if necessary until you find it. Make sure it matches exactly. Accidentally modifying a different key may impact the proper functioning of Windows 11. especially since you will most likely not remember which key was changed by mistake. Double-click on System.is Pin to Namespace Tree. This action will open a new Properties window where the value assigned to this registry key can be modified. Within this dialog, you will be able to view the current data associated with the key and adjust it as needed to enable or disable the visibility of the gallery item in File Explorer's navigation panel. Make sure you perform the change carefully, as altering registry values incorrectly may lead to unexpected system behavior. In the newly opened dialog window, change the value of this key from 0 to 1. This adjustment modifies the behavior of File Explorer's navigation pane, instructing Windows to once again display the gallery icon. After applying this change, the gallery entry will be reinstated in the left side panel of File Explorer, restoring its default visibility. Ensure that the value is entered correctly, as incorrect modifications within the registry editor may lead to unexpected system behavior or interface inconsistencies. You can achieve the same effect by deleting the System.is Pin to Namespace Tree key entirely. However, if you later decide to suppress the gallery icon again, you will need to repeat the entire configuration process from the beginning, which may be inconvenient. For this reason, my recommendation is to modify the key's value depending on the desired behavior. Set it to 0 to hide the gallery icon, and set it to 1 to display it. When the key is deleted, the gallery icon becomes visible because its presence in the navigation pane is treated as a default system state. If you choose to modify the value of the key, you must confirm and apply the change by clicking the OK button. This action confirms the new value and instructs the registry editor to write the updated configuration into the system registry. Without confirming the modification, the change will not be saved, and the operating system will continue to use the previous value. Restart File Explorer or your entire system to apply the reversal and fully restore the default behavior. In the majority of cases, restarting File Explorer is sufficient, as it reloads the user interface components responsible for rendering the navigation pane and updates the registry-driven display settings. However, if the change does not take effect immediately or if File Explorer continues to display outdated information, proceed with a full system restart. A complete reboot ensures that all dependent Windows services, shell processes, and registry-driven configurations are reinitialized, guaranteeing that the modification is correctly applied across the operating system.